Hey guys, back for Sound here, back in another video. So in this video, we're gonna dive into the sound design of the new Habstrakt style in 2022. He is quite known for his old style, like songs as these. But lately he's been flipping his style into more stuff like this. So in this video we'll be remaking two songs, the Do It To It remix and the Like Before track. So let's start off with the Do It To It. The final result will sound like this. So let's switch it into an init preset and make it from scratch. So as you might notice, it's based off the saw wave table. So we'll be having 3 saw waves. First, the sub oscillator gonna be 2 octaves down. Oscillator A gonna be 1 octave down. And oscillator B gonna be 7 semitones up to create some more harmonics to it. So without and with it, gives a dope vibe to it. Now we're gonna detune them. Oscillator A gonna be heavily detuned. Really push it. Now we're gonna shape the wave table. So first get rid of the sustain. Bump up the attack a little bit. A little bit of hold. Really a short decay time. Just like this. Now we're gonna add some sync to oscillator A. It will kind of pushes the frequency up a little bit. Just like this. This is the sweet spot. Really makes a difference in the sound, so without and with it, gives a really dirty vibe to it. So now we're gonna mix it. First, a lot of distortion. Then some OTT. We're gonna completely destroy the sound. Just like this. A little bit of chorus effect. Find a sweet spot and then just mix it in. And a little bit of EQing. So dip the high end just a little bit. So get rid of those harsh frequencies. And let's push it around here. So what we also can do is route envelope 1 to the game. You can get really creative with it, but just keep it like this. Of course you can add some more reverb and delay to it, but this is just the basic of the sound, so I think it turned out really dope. So let's dive into the other sounds. So now we're gonna remake the bass of this song. The final result will sound like this. So let's create an init preset. Let's start off with a sub oscillator. This preset gonna be based on saw waves as well, so first drop it 2 octaves. Then add some noise to it. We'll be using the J60 just to add some more to the high end. Then add the other oscillators. First, oscillator A gonna be 1 octave down. Slightly detuned. Then oscillator B, we're gonna do the same as the previous preset. Upset the semitones. Again, it really adds something more to it. Just a dope effect. Add 3 unisons to it, but with no detune. Then we're gonna shape the envelope, so first some attack. A little bit of hold. No sustain. Decay around here. And some mono legato. And a little bit of portamento. So now we're gonna add a key to the sound again. the sync, just at a previous preset. Just around here. So now we're gonna mix it with a hyper dimension. Chorus. Stops a little bit overpowering, so let's drag it down. Let's tweak the sync as well. And add some more reverb and delay. We're gonna add a stereo effect with that delay, so keep it like this. Again here, let's add some more stereo to it. And to finish it off, some more reverb. Which is dope, but it misses something, so let's add an OTT to it. So that's it for the like before bass. I think it turned out really dope. Again, it's linked down below. The presets are linked down below, so if you want to check it out, check my Patreon. Besides that, if you liked the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.